What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video showing you guys how to change your stock look on your stock rims. I'm gonna vinyl wrap all that chrome piece that you see right there. I will black it out. You can choose any color: black, red, green, purple, yellow, but I chose black. The process is pretty easy and it's a great look. It changes the look of your car tremendously. I recommend it. Let's get right into the video. So the first step before you even start wrapping, you have to thoroughly clean the wheel. What I did do is pressure wash the wheel. Make sure you clean the surface very good because you want the vinyl to wrap around that chrome piece. Next step you want to use a wheel cleaner. Huge shout out to Vash Auto Care. I am sponsored by them. They have a great wheel cleaner. It smells good. So what you want to do is spray that wheel cleaner all over that wheel. You want to use 1 square per each spoke. I went a little bit overboard, but I did want to make sure that the wheel was super clean. Next step is clean the wheel thoroughly with the rim cleaner. You sell these at Amazon, AutoZone. Pretty inexpensive. Although the wrap will not be touching all the area, you still want to clean the area nice and thoroughly because you don't want any dirt flying onto the area where you're going to wrap. Once you're done with that step, next step is get the microfiber wheel brush and start scrubbing it down. You do not have to press any pressure. The bristles will do all the work. Make sure you get all those chrome pieces scrubbed down so the vinyl can stick on perfectly. Once you're done scrubbing down, all you gotta do is rinse it off. The cleaner washes off super easy and it leaves a shiny look. I love this cleaner, it's really good. If you guys want to buy this cleaner, I do have a coupon in the description of the video. Get you a good discount. Out of multiple attempts, I did find out that starting from the right side is easier to applying the vinyl. You start from the outer side, you work up, and then you work your way down. Make sure you press down evenly to avoid air bubbles. A squeegee does help, but you do not need it for this application. how it looks after. Looks real good. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys find this informative. Just want to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram. I'm giving away the Vash Auto Care wheel cleaner. All you have to do is follow, like, and comment on that post. It's pretty simple. Who doesn't want free stuff, right? If you are in the USA, I will ship it out to you free. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. Hit me up on Instagram. Till next time, guys.